Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into troubleshooting with Lovable.dev. So this tip will help you basically to navigate common issues and get back on track without spending all your credits. So let's get right into it. First up, when you encounter an error, click the Try to Fix button. Lovable will then scan your logs, detect the issue, attempt a quick fix. But what if your code runs without errors, but you maybe forgotten to add a little bit more specification? This is where they can be hard to spot and you might need to fine-tune your previous prompt. In such cases, you can review your original prompt to confirm that your instructions are well made. So you could add stuff like maybe the font type or the color, stuff like that. You can also break it down, so check individual components and logic from that specific statement. Also, you can add visuals to help the AI understand with screenshots to clarify something that maybe went wrong when you were first prompting. When using AI tools, clear structured prompts lead to better results. So I suggest using this format. First off, start with the project overview. So what are you building? Then I would add what is the page structure. So list the key pages and key components. I would then follow it the navigation logic, so describe the user flow, like where should my user go from this section to another section. I would also add import a visual aid set, so if you have wireframes or screenshots or of maybe drawings you want to be implemented. I would also add implementation steps, so what should be built first and then last, and basically lay out the whole build order. Now structure matters, so I would recommend you to follow this flow. First, start up with creating the layout and pages, connecting your Supabase or backend. Also, set up the authentication and user role, plan and organize the feature logics, and then prompt Lovable to implement these actual features. When unsure, you can switch to chat mode. Basically ask Lovable to analyze your project state, request a recap of attempted solutions, and also you can prompt for a new direction to solve the persistent problem. This is always something that gives more context to the AI and will help it guide towards something new. Now, if you're still not having any luck, try this. So be exact, describe the bug and your expectations clearly, use images, ask directly, what else can we try? Rollback, so restore to a working version and then rebuild incrementally to a workable solution. Remember, troubleshooting generally comes in one of those categories. So it's either a UI or a layout glitch, it's either an API or backend issue, a prompt misinterpretation, AI unresponsiveness or misbehavior, or simply just the platform or an integration error such as Supabase. If you want more in-depth support, you can join our Skool community. It's $50 a month right now. It's going to go up to $70 a month in about 3 weeks. And there you will have access unlimited to me, so you can ask any questions related to software engineering. So if you're having problems with tools like Lovable, Bolt, and any other tools like that, or you need help with your startup to basically structure your software infrastructure, engineering, and all that, this is the group for you. There's also a lot of resources that are going to be added pretty soon, and you also get discounted one-on-one calls with me if you're in the community. So if it's something that could interest you and suit you, check the first link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.